everybody, welcome to a fresh new vlog. You can see the bright sunlight on my face. I'm unable to open my eyes without my shades. So where we are at Luxor. Here we are at Egypt's another pretty city called Luxor. In front of you, you can see the river Nile. You can see the beautiful mountain and behind that. And this is our hotel apartment where we are currently staying. And you can see the beauty of Egypt through my lenses. And keep watching. Do watch this full vlog. So enjoy the view along with me. Luxor is actually pronounced as Al-Aqsa, means the places or the fort. Luxor was a city of ancient Egyptian. Luxor is world's greatest open-air museum. Ancient tombs and temples are scattered along the east and west bank of River Nile. River Nile splits Luxor into two parts, East Bank and West Bank. Today, we will be covering the Valley of Kings, Karnak Temple, Colossi of Memnon, Luxor Temple, and the Temple of Hatshepsut. Oh, yes, we are about to reach our first spot. And before that, let me tell you wherever you go in Egypt, you'll always find a marketplace selling the products which are there grown in Egypt, like the showpieces made up of this alabaster stones and their clothes, where you will find the pictures of pyramids, sphinx, and all these things. So I just love visiting their marketplaces. And yes, we'll take you shopping. Don't worry. Our first spot was Valley of the Kings. The Valley of the Kings is a royal burial ground for pharaohs from 18th to 20th dynasty. Famous kings like Tutankhamun, Ramessess, Tuthmossis, and Seti will be found there. Total 62 tombs are there, but only 8 are open for the common people. One ticket will allow you to visit 3 tombs. If you want to see more, you have to purchase additional tickets.
Follow him, follow him.
The burial grounds in the Valley of Kings are exquisitely decorated. The tombs that are available to visit change periodically. The burial chambers are enormous. The passageways are adorned with colorful scenes on the walls and astronomical scene on the ceilings. The decoration on the walls are mostly the pictures describing about the afterlife and the pharaohs existent in it. Many colorful paintings were extract taken from ancient theological compositions and were incorporated in the tomb to assist the deceased into the next life. The Egyptian believed that it was the aim of the dead to secure passage on his sacred bark to travel with him for eternity. Our next spot for today is the mortuary temple of Hatshepsut. She was the sixth pharaoh of the 18th dynasty, by far most successful woman to rule Egypt as pharaoh. Her mortuary temple took 15 years to complete. It's made in geometric Old Kingdom style. The temple is 3 stories tall, connected by ramp and terraces. Queen Hatshepsut was the widowed queen of Pharaoh Tuthmossis II. There is lack of evidence about her life and reign, as her name was intentionally erased from Egyptian monuments. Partway into her reign, it is evident from some of carvings and sculptures of her that she used to keep a masculine appearance. Sometimes she is shown in garment of male rulers, and in later part of life she was depicted full male clothing and even traditional beard of Egyptian pharaoh. Come, let's take a tour of the mortuary temple of the Queen Hatshepsut.
ফটো কিছুই বুঝি না। আমি সব নিয়ে নিয়েছি সোনাই ব্লগে।
Our third stop was at Egypt's famous Alabastar factory.
Alabastar. We get this material behind about 25 kilometers. A big rock, big size, like you can see. This is a big rock here we have. You know, the Alabastar. It's underground or above ground? Above ground, huh? I'm going to give you a wow for you. One, two, three. Wow! Very good, like a surprise. This is our very nice working statues, Alabastar. This is gonna be for good luck. Give me your hand. Come, record this.
Record this.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Amrita.
Allah Amrita. Look, this is scarab for good luck. Okay. This is here. She's Egyptian now. You are Egyptian now.
I'm Egyptian now. Oh, I'm Egyptian now.
We give you the formula.
I'm Egyptian now.
Yes.
Wow.
Alabaster is a type of rock that is used for carving. The softness of alabaster enables it to be carved easily. Come, let's look around this alabaster factory.
Trade cloth, please. No.
Let me see.
Wow. Very beautiful work. So kind of you.
Is this Fourth stop is at Colossi of Memnon. The two massive stone statues of Pharaoh Amenhotep III symbolize the rule of king over Egypt. Now we are at our next spot, Luxor's famous Karnak temple. Let's go inside and explore Karnak temple. Karnak temple is a city of temples, built over 2000 years and dedicated to the band triad of Amun, Mat and Khonshu, Egyptian god of the sun and air and everything. It is the largest religious building ever made. The temple complex consists of number of temples and chapels. During the reign of pharaohs such as Hatshepsut, Tuthmossis III, Seti, and Ramessess II, all contributed significant addition to the complex. Come, let's go and explore Karnak temple.
Western it means strong. Western ma cross floor because here have a ceiling and then small window. See the window, and nobody get in here and private praying for Amun Ra. Went to the sun rays cross from this window because consider this area looks like his garden and the private praying. If you look for the obelisk, must to made one single piece because granite. And the top of the obelisk, triangle shape without decoration because it's covered by platinum. Platinum is mix between silver and gold. During sunrise, done shining and reflections the light. Use looks like the lamps. This is the function for the obelisk.
The left hand side is the papyrus and that one is the lotus.
Papyrus, lotus.
Yes, upper Lawani. Here we can see sanctuary, the old room made from granite. See sky and star? See sky altar. Yes, what offering. From here we can see gate of the temple. You know what you mean? The old this temple was built in one act. All of the temple was built in one act. symbol the two key of life. See? Key of life, right? Symbol two long life. King come and break down the faces, see? Remove the faces to revenge from her and remove her history.
Our last spot at Luxor is Luxor Temple. Luxor Temple is close to the river Nile and was built by Amenhotep III but completed by Tutankhamun and Horemheb and then added by Ramesses II. Towards the rear, you'll find a granite shrine dedicated to Alexander the Great, and you'll also find a portion of the Last Supper painting in this Christian part of Luxor Temple. Come on, come with me. We will go around the Luxor Temple and explore it.
After that, we can see all offering came from karnak, like it's always it's open area. All offering putting here for Amon-Ra, the sun god. Why made this design? Because during sunrise, sun come from east. West
Yes.
wing will be light. And now on sunset, sun move to west. East wing will. The Christian used oil painting over their decoration for the ancient Egyptian. Oil painting. Cartouche. Any king have his cartouche. What do you mean of cartouche? This it means sky. This it means land. This air between sky and land. And any name put his name inside of the cartouche. This representative looks like, yes, alphabet looks like his ID. This Alexander. Alexandra. Again. Alexandra. Alexander come here and start to put his cartouche to belong some decoration for him. It means he done this one. The difference between this wall and this wall 1 millennium, you know, millennium, 1,000 years. This ancient Egyptian decoration carving in. Greek decoration carving outside. You observe it? This outside from the wall, this inside the wall.
So that is engraved in.
This carving in and this carving outside. Also, we have a huge.
So this is a Greek style you are saying?
Yes.
And that is Egyptian style?
Ancient Egyptian.
Come with me. Let's explore the Avenue of Fins. It is the processional way that connects the temple of Karnak with Luxor Temple. With a length of 2700 meters, this road is flanked by 1060 statues of rams, cryophins, and androphins. As the sun kisses River Nile, we come at the end of our day tour in Luxor. Time to go back to Cairo to explore rest of Cairo city. Bidding adieu to Luxor with a heavy heart and beautiful memories. As Ralph Emerson says, every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn. I hope you liked watching the video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel to see all other Egypt vlogs here. Thank you.